Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a shipping fee or shipping payment on demand or for your print on demand. So very quickly, you want to go to settings right here, then head over to shipping and delivery. From here, what you want to do is to create a custom profile, add in your product. So let's say print on demand right there. Let's just say that's our profile name, shipping zone, save it. Now, for this one, we need to go here to our shipping rate. And then instead of a standard rate, we can edit this and do a customized rate right here. So let's go for our standard rate, right? And what we want to do here is click on made to order right here. And then for the price, of course, you need to set a specific price on how much the shipping would cost. So for example, here, let's say 50 pesos. That is our standard pricing. But since this is a print on demand, you can also add in a conditional pricing. So for example, right here, based on order price, you can either add based on item weight or based on order price, depending on you. And then just click on done when you're done. And then you can add on another rate right here. For this one, as much as possible, if you are gonna be doing a print on demand, what's important is for you to have promotions, right? It would also help you boost your business. So what you want to do here is you want to add free shipping. Now add a description, of course. Made to order for, let's say you'll provide free shipping for orders for 10 or 10 to 15 item orders. And then just click on done and automatically that is installed. So yeah, if you are gonna be doing a print on demand, definitely try adding different rates. That would give your customers, your audience, your market a little bit more option. And most importantly, it will also entice them to buy your products. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.